My menu today, I have pilau. Yeah, I have vegetable rice. Yeah, I have Irish. I have cabbage. I have chicken, dry and wet. I also have beef, dry and wet. Then also I have matoke. Yeah.
We set the scene with lights so bright. Table spread, it's a dazzling sight. Food so fine, the taste will delight. At mega events, we party all night. Celebrate life, let the good times flow. With every bite, feel the love grow. Raise your glass.